Hello students, in the previous class we have discussed the comparison of the various model of like Thomson, Rutherford and the Bohr's model, and we have also studied about the subatomic particles, that is electron, proton and neutron. Now today we are doing some definition part related with the chapter structure of atom. Okay, so the basic part must be clear, like what is the meaning, that already we have done in the atom molecule also, and today also I am explaining once again what is the meaning of the valency. Valency is the combining capacity of an atom. Okay, now valency shows that whether the capacity of an element is to lose electron or to gain electron. So the valency, we can say that it is the combining capacity of an atom is called as the valency. Now you already know how to calculate the valency, but since here we are learning this definition, so once again we can recall. So we are writing the atom name of the element: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay, just examples we are taking to learn the valency. Okay, now we all know the atomic number. We are writing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, now the next thing we are doing is the configuration. It will be 1. Okay, helium, since it is 2, so we'll write the 2. Lithium will be 2 comma 1 2 comma 2. Boron will be 2 comma 3. Carbon 2 comma 4, nitrogen 2 comma 5, oxygen 2 comma 6, and fluorine it is 2 comma 7, and neon 2 comma 8. Now one important thing you have to note down here: whenever in the outermost shell it is 2 or the 8, like if we consider here 2 or 8, when the 2 or 8 electrons are there in the outermost shell, they are completely filled electrons, and these element will be stable. So which element will be stable? Who are having the electronic configuration in the outermost shell as 2 and 8. And since they are stable, you can see that their valencies can be considered as 0. Now in the previous videos I have told you how to calculate the valency. Now simple, when in the outermost shell, if you see here in the outermost shell, if the number of electrons are between 1 to 4, 1 2 3 and 4, it is directly giving the valency. If you see here 1 2 3 and 4, so directly you can write the valency. Why? Because till 4 the elements have tendency to lose electron, and since they are losing electron, we have to mention the plus sign here. Okay, so we can write here as the valency as plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 4. Now what happened after 4? If we see for 5 6 7 and 8, for the outermost electron having 5 6 7 8, what we have to do? We have to deduct 8 minus outermost electron. Now 8 minus 5 when you are doing, you will be getting 3. You will be getting here 8 minus 6 2, 8 minus 7 1 and 0. Now why we are writing the minus sign here? The minus sign indicate that they have tendency to gain electron. They don't have tendency to lose electron. After 5 6 7, for the 5 6 7 8 outermost electron, they have tendency to gain electrons. Okay, so we are writing as minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 and 0. Okay, so this was the valency. It is the combining capacity of element. It is called as the valency. Now next we are studying about atomic number. Now what is the meaning of the atomic number? The atomic number of an element is same as the number of proton in the nucleus of an atom, and it is represented by letter Z. Now before explaining the atomic number, I will explain how to represent the element. For example, any X element is there. Okay, this X element is there. Now we want to represent the atomic number and mass number. Always at the base of the element we are writing atomic number, and the denotation of the atomic number is capital Z. Okay, and above the element we are writing capital A, and this capital A is representing the mass number. Okay, we are taking the example here. We are writing, we know that oxygen, the atomic number it is 8 and the atomic mass it is 16. Okay, so here 8 is representing the atomic number, so we are writing at the base of the element. What we have to write here? Here we have to write the atomic, we have to write the atomic mass or the mass number, so we are writing 16. Okay, so now we come back to the atomic number. Atomic number is equivalent to the number of proton, or you can also say the neutron. So whenever if the question it is asked what is the atomic number, directly you consider proton and electron. The proton and the electron, these are having the same value as that of the atomic number. And if you want to calculate the neutron, what you have to do? You have to do atomic mass minus atomic number. For example, we are considering here, if the suppose the oxygen it is given atomic number 8, we know that the base will represent the atomic. Now here if suppose I have given oxygen, but in the examination instead of this oxygen the X will be written. Here X will be written and they will ask what is the atomic number of the X. Now we know that the base of the element represent the atomic number, and we know the atomic number till 20, so we can identify that 8 means it is the atomic number of the oxygen. 16 it means it is the atomic mass, it is the atomic mass of the oxygen. Okay, now the next thing we want to calculate the electron, proton and neutron. Now atomic number simple, we can calculate by number of the neutron, or if the number of the proton and electron is given, we can identify the atomic number. So this is the atomic number, mass number is 16. Now atomic number is equivalent to the electron and proton, so we are writing 8 here. How we can calculate the neutron? The neutron can be calculated by deducting or difference of the mass number minus atomic number. 16 minus 8 will be 8 here. So today we are studying about how to calculate atomic number, mass number. Now suppose if the mass number it is equivalent to the number of the neutron and proton. Okay, it is the sum of the neutron and the proton. If you want to calculate the mass number, what we can do? We can just sum up the neutron and the proton. So when you are summing the neutron, like for example if you consider here, this is the neutron, this is the proton. So when you add them, 8 plus 8, what you will get? 16, and 16 is the mass number of the oxygen. So like this we can calculate the valency, atomic number, mass number, electron, proton and neutron. So what you have to do? You have to write till 20 atomic number, mass number, electron, proton and the neutron, so that it will be easy to learn the concept of the valency and how to calculate the number of electron, proton and neutron.